There is a quiet power in seeing before believing. When we close our eyes and picture the life we ache for, the version of ourselves unburdened, radiant, in flow, we're not daydreaming, we're casting. Visualization is not passive hope, it is active magic. It bridges the inner world and the outer one, setting energy in motion. This spell is for the witches who know that reality bends first in the mind, then in the mirror. To begin, find a moment of stillness. Let the noise of the day fall away. You'll want a mirror before you, a portal to possibility. Light a white or gold candle nearby, its flame representing clarity and transformation. A small bowl of water rests beside it, holding the element of reflection, and if you have a clear quartz or moonstone, let it amplify your intent. When you're ready, focus your gaze into the mirror, not just at your face, but through it. See the version of you who is already living the dream life. Let your imagination sharpen until you can almost feel the sun on your skin in that world, the weight lifted off your shoulders, the joy that moves through your body like breath. Once the vision is clear, speak the spell aloud. I see the life I wish to weave. Not just to want, but to believe. In this mirror, clear and true, I call the life I'm walking to. With candles' flame, I light the way toward brighter paths and golden days. This water holds my dream's reflection, a calm, unwavering direction. I shape, I speak, I hold the vision. My dream life flows with bold precision. No fear, no doubt shall cloud my sight. My fate is mine, and it feels right. So mote it be from soul to sky. My dream life forms before my eyes. As the final words leave your lips, dip your fingers into the water and gently touch your third eye. Whisper, I align with what I see. This act seals your vision in the spiritual and physical realms. Let the candle burn as long as feels right, allowing the flame to carry your intention forward. This spell can be repeated over 3 days, or whenever you feel your vision slipping into fog. Keep returning to the mirror. Keep seeing. Keep knowing. Because once you see your dream life with conviction, the world has no choice but to begin reshaping itself around that truth.